What is happening, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to plug a hole in your tire if you have a nail, a screw, whatever, a spark plug, a stick, a railroad tie. Maybe a railroad tie this won't help. But I'm going to show you how to plug a hole in your tire because I have a large zip screw head just poking out of my tire right now. That is not good. It is leaking air. It was just completely flat. I did fill it up a little bit for video purposes. Have the air check here. Before we get started, this will be a quick video obviously, but I will show you what you'll need. Obviously, you'll need your plugs. You can get these at any parts store, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Kmart, Walmart, probably even your convenience store, a gas station would have these. That tool they gave me is crappy, so I'm not going to show you that. But you need a tool to ram in the hole to clean it all up. Some kits will give you both or one. Clean it all up in there, like a file kind of tool. And then you will need a tool to hold your plug that you can ram in, and as you can see, it has a slit to release the plug in the tire when you pull it out. This one does not have a slit, so the plug stays on the tool clapped. Don't use that. Gotta get one with a little slit in it. But without further ado, let's plug this tire. Oh, you also need something to take the screw or nail out. I'm using dikes. So I can also cut my plug at the end with it. Double purpose. I have my dikes and I'm going to attempt to pull this out right now. We'll see how easily it comes out. It's in there, that's rough. Got it out. That is a big zip screw, huh? Nothing serious. Now we got our ram tool. And as we said, just gotta really ram it in there. Oh yeah. Give it the twirl effect. You wanna make sure your hole is clean. You don't want a dirty hole. Oh God, hopefully your hole isn't this tight. But you really gotta work it. It's actually cleaning up my tool because my tool was rusty. I'll pull it all the way out. I'll go back in again. Oh yeah. All right, now I'll leave it in and get my patch, my plug. So come over here, Billy. Let's get a plug out. Well, it's gonna take me a second to get this plug out because it's really hard to pull, but I'll show you me putting it in there. We got our plug, our tool. Now just gotta get the end crimped to here and slide it right on through. Guys, get it started. It's kind of a pain. That's why the slit is necessary for when it comes out. We can just get this thing through there, put it right in the middle, just like that. And now when it goes into the tire, it'll fold. When you pull it out, it'll come out that slit. Let's go back to the tire. I still left my rammer in there because it's gonna leak a lot more air out when I pull that out. But I have this ready to rock and roll. And let's see if we can do it in one shot here. It's pretty easy, should be able to. Pull that out. Get our unit right here. And go in pretty deep. Maybe leave out that much, I'd say. We'll cut some off. And just one big swift movement. Pull it out. And your tire is friggin' plugged, boys. Plugged. I'm gonna cut these off. That's why I have the dikes. See if I can cut both of them at once. Yep. And that is that. We are done. Just like that. Nice. I just set my tire to 35 PSI, and that is that, dudes. I hope this video can help you out and get you back on the road, your tire plugged. But other than that, we are done for tonight. Make sure to smash that like button, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace!
Why self-life? We got London on the track.